Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is 50p mini hunt day. As you can see, I've got a fresh bag, sealed bag from the post office. Picked it up yesterday. 250 quid's worth. We're not going to go through the whole lot in one go. So I'm going to do 50 quid today. I'll do 100 on the next one and so on. Just chop and change. Now, unfortunately, looking at what we've got, they are all open bags rather than sealed bags inside. So let's give it a flip over, have a quick look, see what we've got. Let's pull out 5 bags at random, go from there. Right, let's just put my hand in. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's handy. Let's get those out of the way. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. Now we're cooking. Right. Usual routine. I'll go through the bags, see what we can find, and I'll go through the bundles afterwards and look for any of the harder to find ones. So what we'd be looking for is the 2008 Britannia and the 2017 Shield. Both of those are low mintage. And then the 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 and 21 Shields. And those are NIFCs, not intended for circulation. So if we come down to there, that will do. Yeah, so I was quite happy to pop down the post office yesterday. Finally got down there, went in and said, "Have you got any 50p's?" And he said, "Yeah, you got a bag full of them just there." I said, No, I want some fresh ones, mate." So a bit of the old back and forth, bit of banter. And yeah, they came out with a bundle. So happy days. See what we can find. Now, we've been lucky over the last few hunts. Oh, hello. First one out, Dictionary, 2005. There's about 17.5 million. That one. Very common. We've had a few of these over the recent hunts. Yeah, over the last few, we've been very, very lucky. We've had a Paddington at the Palace error, the crisp packet error. And the last hunt, we actually had Paddington at the station error. And that one was, the error for that is lesser known, actually. It's an extra bit of metal underneath the windscreen wiper, underneath the window itself of the train in the background. Some of these are extremely shiny, almost getting my hopes up. But apart from that, there's been nothing else really released. We've had the Liberty Shop £5 coin released. That should be on its way to me soon. Nothing there. What else have we had out recently? There's not really been a lot. It's more on the silver side of things. There's been a Thor 1 ounce silver bar that goes with the one that we had come out a fair few months ago. I think there's supposed to be a set of 3 in total. There's also a new James Bond silver 1 ounce silver bullion coin released as well. Oh, here we go. Somebody we haven't seen for a while. Tom Kitten, 2017. And I think there's 9 million of this one. Yeah, 9.5 million, I think. It's pretty good nick, actually. A bit scuzzed up on the corner there. Yeah, so the James Bond silver, I think it's the Bond of the 90s. So basically, they did a series ages ago of all the Bond films, or each decade. Um, they came out as normal £5 coins, which I've got, and I've done videos on each of those. Have a nosy back through the library. They're quite a way back now, they're a few years old. Other than that, they've been bringing out occasionally the silver bullion equivalent, which I've been gradually collecting as well. So hopefully that will be with me soon. And one I am really looking forward to is another silver bar, actually. Like I say, Queen's size of things, it's gone very, very quiet. Ooh, Christopher Ironside. We had him last time round. Don't see him for ages, and then he load turn up. 7 million, I think, of this one. Pretty good condition for 12 years old. Yes, the other silver bar is the like a Battle of Britain. Oh, hello. Olympic. We haven't had an Olympic for a while, and that's aquatics. And this is the one that you'd expect to get, where you can see the face. You get one with lines over the face. That's the one where you're making your money. So this particular one, aquatics, there's only about just over 2 million of these. A bit bashed and beaten. Probably not worth the top end, but hey, it's going to be a quid or two at least in your pocket. That's a nice little find. But a very, very common one, even though it's only 2 million. I seem to get that possibly more so than quite a few of the others. So yeah, the yes, Battle of Britain bar does have a picture of a Spitfire, I think, on it. I'm getting the 1 ounce version of that, so hopefully that will be turning up soon. So it'll be a nice little silver video, load of reviews coming up. I might break it down. I don't know yet. See how we go. Just depends on when they turn up. Right, on to the last bag. Let's see what we've got. Anything? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, I've got dropsies today. Nope, nope, nope. Well, 5 bags, 4 coins. So we got our dictionary, like I say, common, get that every so often. Tom Kitten, we've had this one before, fairly common. It's always good to see those. I do like those. You've got Christopher Ironside. So, like I say, this one's been out for just over 10 years. 2013, is it? Yeah. Fairly common to see. And an Olympic, which isn't common, but this one for me does seem to pop up more often than not. I'll have a look at my stats as well. I'll see if I can find out how many of these we've come across since we've been doing the hunts. Be interesting, actually. Right. So I will now disappear off and go and check through these bundles, and I shall be back shortly. Hi folks, we're back. Right, gone through everything. There was nothing else there. No 2008s, no 2017s. I did have a quick look the last time we got the aquatic. I must have been thinking of a different coin. We have not seen this coin since May last year. I'm pretty sure I've seen it elsewhere, so I probably had it in a change, that sort of thing, which is why I was thinking about it. But yeah, that's the aquatics from the Olympics. Like I say, I thought that was fairly common for me, but obviously not. I'm clearly thinking of something else. Maybe I need more coffee. So, our finds for the day from 5 bags: dictionary, Tom Kitten, another Christopher Ironside, and a grotty looking but very, very welcomed Olympic. The aquatics. Yeah, bit of surface dirt. Oh, actually, it's sticky, so that'll probably come off anyway. So there you have it. Pick of the week. Gotta be. Every time you get an Olympic, unless you've got something really, really good in your finds, you're always going to side with the Olympic. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider a like, maybe leave a comment. Above all, please consider subscribing. It really, really does help the channel. We are steadily growing, which is absolutely brilliant. Until the next time, folks, I will catch you then. So take care. Cheers all.